GS칼텍스가
담귀라는
One day, a massive fart sensation hit South Korea. The fart catcher. Goose kick. Fart, capture, plant it, and pop a sprout.
Bro, what the This is insane. Why'd you make this bizarre thing?
왜 만든 겁니까?
It is all because of this. CCUS. The world is watching this tech for 2050 net zero. It captures carbon from factories for utilization and storage. CCUS technology goes far beyond simple flue gas treatment. It's an ultra-sophisticated plant engineering process to thermize.
What's that?
Complicated, right? It needs national attention, but hardly anyone knows about it.
국민들이 이 기술의 필요성을 이해하고 지지하지 않으면 산업으로 자리 잡기 어렵습니다.
But GS칼텍스 discovered the connection. This carbon capture tech is just like the cup of fart prank we all know. That's how the Goose kit was born. We made CCUS easy to understand just by having fun with farts. All kits fully claimed, even triggering resales. The public response completely blew up, turning heads across press and organizations. In doing so, we captured not only public interest, but brand favorability. And here is the result. It was adopted as an official teaching aid in schools. The most primal fart solution for cutting-edge carbon tech. Goose